Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to turn your door panel. So this is the door panel right here, one of my old ones. I'm gonna show you how to turn this into something like this. Alright, so what you're gonna need some Dupli-color Vynl and fabric. It's a paint. You could get this at Home Depot. You could get this at Walmart. I went to AutoZone. They have it for like eight or $9, and it's 11 ounces. It's a pretty good size, you know. With one can, I did 2 door panels and like some trimmings, and then I'm not gonna lie, the results are pretty cool. I mean, they kind of blew me away. I didn't think they were gonna stay like real. How can I say, like permanent? I thought it was gonna rub off, but let me show you real quick what I'm talking about. Alright, so look, here's my door panel. It used to be gray. And yeah, I did this is what 2 coats looked like. You can still feel the texture. It doesn't rub off or anything. Like I even wet it and just to make sure, but overall it's looking good. I mean, I like how it kind of looks like factory. Don't worry about this. I'm a reupholster that soon. I got some stuff that I got from eBay. I'm gonna try to I'm gonna make a video on that too. I'm gonna try to reupholster that myself. You know, I'll film it step by step. So oh, I am gonna say this rug right here, it did take a couple more coats to like darken up, I would say, because I guess because of the material, it would like absorb the paint, but overall it looks pretty good. I would say. How's it looking? Comment down below. One thing that I want to say is that before you start painting this, you have to wash it down. You know, get a wet rag, soapy water, use another rag, spray some acetone, get some acetone, alcohol, anything that, you know, you want to get rid of all the grease, anything that will prevent the paint from sticking onto the panel. So yeah, just clean it real good and then you should be all right. So I'm gonna show you just a little clip of. I'm gonna paint these door panels and these moldings right here. As you can see, I already did one light coat. I would say 2 to 3 coats would be cool. I mean, unless you don't mind like fucking it up, but I would say 2 to 3 coats is cool. That's what I did with the door panel. I do have a seat that I'm gonna show you guys later on. Alright, so just shake it up. I'm gonna shake it up real nice, like 8-9 inches away, I would say. Like this, lightly. You don't want to go too heavy. Like I said, take your time, lightly. Once it dries up, you can go over it again. You know, just in case you still see the gray. 8 inches away, like I said. Light coats. Light coats. And so like on these curved edges, so this goes on like the door sill. These curved edges right here, you want to hit them at an angle too, because sometimes you'll see how there's no paint right there. Yeah. Alright. This is after the second coat. I got the this is the matte black, by the way. Kinda shiny. but not too shiny. I think it's like, it's perfect, you know, something that would be like in the stock car. Yeah, this is the second coat. I mean, you can still see some gray, but with the third coat, that should be okay. Easy. There's some spotting, but like I said, third coat, I'll take care of it. 8 inches away, that's the key. Take your time, take your time. All right, so you see this door panel? Came out really nice, guys. I'm not even gonna fucking lie. You know, this shit, I ordered some like snakeskin type of fabric on eBay. Like I said earlier, it's gonna match the seats. I also used the Dupli-color this on the seats. I got some off of Dupli. Captain seats leather. They're really nice condition. I couldn't pass up on them. I got a good deal. But that actually came out really nice too. I'm gonna show you that just a second. All right, so I just finished applying the third coat, the third coat on the shit. My bad. So yeah, you see, looking sharp, evenly. Glossy, but it's kind of fresh though. It'll dry out. It'll be a nice matte black. And, don't get me wrong, my interior was already cool. I was just sick of the color. It was like really dated. It was gray, you know, kind of yellowing already. It is a 97. It's like a 20 over. You know, it's pretty old. You know, but I'm gonna make it look pretty cool. You know, subscribe if you wanna go through the process with me. You can see the progress on the trip. That's for $9. Some said it lasts 3 years. For $9, I'll take it. You know, better than paying $600 at a upholstery shop, getting your whole leather redone. You know, yada yada yada. You're out $700. This $9, you know, I'd take it any day.